This is our group case study question. The question is about the Reliance Control System, a company that make control system for electrical power, is losing market share to cheaper and more reliable to foreign competitors. Why the company isn't increasing debt? The board of directors want action to stay competitive. Now there's a debate among senior manager, which is Vice President of Operation, propose adopting Total Quality Management (TQM) to improve competitiveness. And Manufacturing Vice President and Director of Quality Assurance suggest focusing on ISO certification instead.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Syed Muhammad Harith bin Syed Mansur. So today I will present the first question, which is assume you are siding with the Vice President of Operation. List the argument for implementing Total Quality Management (TQM). So if I assume siding with the Vice President of Operation, the first argument for implementing TQM is improve competitiveness and customer satisfaction. So TQM focuses on customer needs, aligning the company products and services to meet or exceed customer expectation. For Reliance, this can rebuild trust in product reliability and compete effectively against overseas rivals. For example, companies like Toyota and Motorola use TQM to deliver exceptional quality, leading to high customer loyalty and market leadership. So the second one is continuous improvement, Kaizen. TQM emphasizes incremental and ongoing improvement across all levels of the organization. This reduces waste, enhances efficiency, and improves product quality over time. For example, Toyota implementation of Kaizen principle has become one of the most respected automotive manufacturers globally, known for reliability and operational efficiency. So the third one is employee engagement. TQM involves everyone in the organization, fostering teamwork and empowering employees to contribute to quality improvement. This builds a culture of accountability and innovation. For example, company named Xerox adopted TQM to turn its business around, actively engaging employees in problem solving and reducing defect by 50% within 2 years. So the last one is competitive edge in global market. TQM emphasis on quality as a cultural norm, make it easier for organization to respond to changing market condition and customer demand. For example, companies in highly competitive sectors such as Samsung integrate TQM principle to innovate rapidly and maintain a market-leading position. That's all for me. Next, I will pass to Aidil Iskandar.
Assalamualaikum to everyone. My name is Aidil Iskandar and I will continue the presentation to talk about the justification for question 1. So I will explain why Total Quality Management, or also known as TQM, is a vital model for businesses that aiming for long-term success. This slide outlines 3 key points that justify its implementation. So first and foremost, the first point is widely practiced model. TQM is a globally recognized and widely adopted model. Industry leaders such as Toyota, GE and Ford have successfully leveraged TQM to enhance customer satisfaction, operational efficiency and profitability. These real-world examples demonstrate how TQM serves as a powerful tool to drive consistent performance improvements. So jumping to the second point, which is the cultural transformation for sustainability. TQM goes beyond compliance by fostering a culture of quality. While standards like ISO 9000 only focus on meeting minimum requirements, TQM builds a sustainable foundation for innovation, agility and competitiveness. This cultural transformation is critical for companies like Reliance to maintain their market position in highly competitive industries. Last but not least, the third point is fact-based performance gains. By implementing TQM, it provides measurable benefits. Studies show that TQM significantly improve products reliability, process efficiency and customer satisfaction, outperforming competitors who rely solely on compliance-focused standards. These fact-based performance gains underscore TQM's practical value in driving excellence. So in conclusion, TQM's proven track record, its role in fostering a sustainable culture, and its ability to deliver a measurable performance gains make it an indispensable approach for businesses aiming to thrive in competitive markets. So that's all from me. I will hand over the presentation to the next presenter. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. Today with me, Adam Nur Iman, I will be presenting the key arguments for implementing ISO 9000, focusing on its benefit from the perspective of manufacturing and quality assurance. Before we go deeper in this discussion, let me give you a definition of ISO 9000. ISO 9000 is defined as a set of international standards on quality management and quality assurance developed to help companies effectively document the quality system elements needed to maintain an efficient quality system. They are not specific to any one industry and can be applied to organizations of any size. ISO 9000 can help a company to satisfy its customers, meet regulatory requirements, and achieve continual improvement. It should be considered to be a first step or the base level of quality system. ISO 9000 is a globally recognized quality management standards that ensure consistency, reliability, and customer confidence in product and service. Let us explore its significance in detail. Firstly, ISO 9000 enhances global credibility and market access. As an internationally recognized standard, it provides assurance to customers about the quality and consistency of this product. This certification opens doors to global markets, especially in industry where compliance with such standard is mandatory. For example, companies like Boeing and Ford in the aerospace and automotive sectors rely on ISO 9000 to meet global supply chain requirements and maintain their competitive edge. Secondly, ISO 9000 contribute to cost effectiveness and risk management. By reducing errors, defects, and efficiencies, organizations can lower operational costs and mitigate risks associated with poor quality. A prime example is Honeywell, which achieved a significant cost saving by standardizing its processes under ISO 9000 guideline. This served as a foundation for the company to transition to more advanced quality practices. ISO 9000 also plays a vital role in meeting customers and regulatory requirements. Many clients, especially in the B2B sector, mandate ISO 9000 certification as a prerequisite for conducting business. Additionally, it helps organizations comply with regulatory and statutory quality for standards. For instance, companies like Pfizer adhere to ISO standards to meet strict regulatory requirements in global market. Another argument for ISO 9000 is that it lays the groundwork for continuous improvement. While the standard itself emphasizes compliance and consistency, it serves as a stepping stone for implementing advanced quality management practices such as Total Quality Management, as we know as TQM, and Six Sigma. A notable example is General Electric, which used ISO 9000 to standardize its operation and later introduced Six Sigma to enhance its continuous improvement efforts. Lastly, ISO 9000 is a widely adopted framework. It has been implemented by millions of organizations worldwide, making it a trusted and proven standard for ensuring quality management. This widespread adoption underscores its effectiveness and relevance across industries. So, in a conclusion, ISO 9000 is a valuable tool for organizations seeking to achieve global credibility, reduce costs, meet customer and regulatory expectation, and establish a foundation for continuous improvement. By adopting ISO 9000, companies position themselves for the long-term success and competitive and ever-changing market. ISO 9000 is widely regarded as a proven and trusted framework for quality management. Having been implemented by millions of organizations worldwide, these standards demonstrate its effectiveness across various industries, improving operational efficiency and ensuring customer satisfaction. According to ISO reports, over 1 million companies globally are ISO 9001 certified, showcasing its widespread adoption and reliability in meeting global business needs. The benefits of ISO 9000 are well documented through research. Studies reveal that companies with ISO 9000 certification often experience improved operational performance, higher customer satisfaction, and enhanced market credibility. For instance, addressing issues related to product reliability becomes easier with ISO 9000 structured approach to quality management. One example of this impact is a research project published in the Journal of Business Research, which highlights the tangible advantages of implementing this certification. Furthermore, ISO 9000 offers flexibility for quality initiative. It does not conflict with other quality systems, but it rather complements them. It's serving as a stepping stone for adopting more advanced methodologies such as total quality management. By providing a solid foundation, ISO 9000 enables organizations continuously improve their quality management practice while remaining adaptable to emerging trends and requirements. In conclusion, the justification for ISO 9000 lies in its global recognition, demonstrated benefits, and ability to support future quality initiatives. Its adoption by millions of companies worldwide reflects its value as a reliable framework for improved efficiency, meeting customer expectations, and ensuring long-term success. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Now, I will present about the third approach that could satisfy ISO 9000 and TQM faction. First, sequential implementation of ISO 9000 and TQM. This method combines ISO 9000's focus on documentation, standardization, and compliance with TQM emphasis on employee engagement and customer satisfaction. This ensures operational consistency while encouraging innovation because there is a systematic transition to continuous improvement. Organization can focus on refining existing processes and then expand toward a culture of continuous improvement. For example, Toyota aligns ISO standard with its TQM-based systems such as Kaizen and lean manufacturing to achieve exceptional quality and efficiency. Second, employee training and cultural shift. This approach begins with ISO 9000 training to build technical expertise and follow with TQM-focused training to foster collaboration and ownership of quality. Training fosters critical thinking and problem-solving skills, which empower the development of innovative ideas. For example, Xerox trained employees extensively during its TQM implementation by combining ISO 9000 processes to reduce defect by 50% within 2 years. Third, focus on data-driven improvement. This strategy uses ISO 9000 emphasis on record keeping and data analysis to identify inefficiencies, then leverage this data for TQM continuous improvement initiative to ensure measurable and effective results. For example, General Electric used ISO-based documentation alongside TQM and Six Sigma methodologies to enhance quality and reduce costs. And the last one is alignment with market and customer needs. This approach uses ISO 9000 certification to build market credibility and regulatory compliance, while TQM fosters innovation and customer-centric solutions. By adopting ISO 9000 and TQM, it ensures organizations are not only meet the current market and customer needs, but also prepare to anticipate and adapt to future demand. For example, Philips combined ISO standard for compliance with TQM practice by allowing innovation in healthcare technologies and leadership in patient-focused solutions. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Nurul Adawiyah binti Muhammad Nizam, and I would like to continue the presentation by present about why this approach works. Ladies and gentlemen, as we evaluate the potential strategies for Reliance Control System, it is important to focus on why this dual-phase hybrid approach of combining ISO 9000 and total quality management is the most effective path forward. Let me take a moment to break this down and illustrate how this approach addresses Reliance's immediate challenges while ensuring long-term success. So number one is industry practice. First, let's look at industry practice, which provide us with a real-world evidence of the success of this approach. Companies like Toyota, General Electric, which is GE, Samsung, and Philips have all adopted a phased approach, starting with ISO 9000 for standardization and transitioning to TQM for cultural transformation. For example, Toyota is renowned for its operational excellence and innovation. The company incorporated ISO 9000 standards early on to establish a foundation on quality compliance. Building on this, Toyota transitioned to TQM principles such as Kaizen, which emphasizes continuous improvement. This allowed Toyota to not only meet global quality standards, but also achieve a competitive edge through its focus on employee engagement and customer satisfaction. Similarly, General Electric implemented ISO 9000 to standardize its operation across multiple locations. Once a solid foundation was in place, GE introduced Six Sigma and TQM methodologies to further enhance quality and efficiency, becoming a benchmark in global manufacturing. These industry leaders showcase that this dual-phase approach is not just theoretical but highly practical and result-driven. For Reliance Control System, following this proven path provides a clear and structured roadmap for achieving quality excellence. Number two is balance focus. Now, let's talk about the balance focus this approach provides. One of the key strengths of the ISO 9000 and TQM combination is its ability to address both short-term operational needs and long-term strategic goals. ISO 9000 focus on process standardization and quality compliance, which are critical for stabilizing operations and addressing immediate issues. For Reliance, this means achieving consistency, reducing defect, and meeting client expectation. However, ISO 9000 alone is not enough to drive sustained competitive advantage. That's where TQM comes in. TQM fosters a culture to continuous improvement, employee engagement, and customer centricity. It builds on the foundation laid by ISO 9000, enabling organizations to innovate, adapt to market changes, and exceed customer expectation. This balanced focus ensures Reliance can stabilize its operations while simultaneously building a culture that prioritizes excellence and agility. Number three is cost effectiveness. Let's move on to the topic of cost effectiveness. One of the main advantages of this approach is its ability to deliver results without overburdening resources. By starting with ISO 9000, Reliance can focus on immediate improvements that are relatively straightforward to implement. ISO 9000 emphasizes standardizing processes, which reduce inefficiencies and operational waste. This creates immediate cost saving. Once the organization is stabilized and savings are realized, these resources can be invested into the gradual integration of TQM principle. This phased approach prevents the company from stretching its resources too thin. Rather than attempting to overhaul its quality system all at once, Reliance can make steady, manageable progress. This method also minimizes disruption, allowing the organization to maintain operational continuity while implementing these changes.
That's all from our group presentation. Thank you.